At number 1, we have the Andis ReVite Cordless Hair Clipper. This professional-grade tool features a powerful motor that cuts through thick, coarse hair with ease and minimal pulling. The adjustable fade blade offers ultra-close cutting precision, perfect for seamless fades and tapers. Yet versatile with 12 guide combs for everything from buzz cuts to detailed styling. The removable blade assembly simplifies cleaning, and the lithium-ion battery delivers up to 2 hours of runtime. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, the ReVite delivers salon-quality results every time.
At number 2, we have the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Hair Clipper. Its genius color-coded system takes the guesswork out of haircuts. No more confusing numbers, just perfect results every time. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless freedom. It's perfect for touch-ups, buzz cuts, and family grooming sessions. The self-sharpening no-snag blades stay sharp and are incredibly easy to clean under running water. Join thousands of satisfied customers who save money and time, turning grooming into a simple, bonding experience at home. The Wahl Color Pro, the brand professionals trust, now making home haircuts easy for everyone. At number 3, we have the Andis Master Cordless Hair Clipper, a legendary choice for both amateur enthusiasts and professional barbers. It delivers unmatched power and versatility for all hair textures from thick and curly to coarse. The adjustable carbon steel blade creates crisp, clean lines, fades, tapers, and sharp outlines with ease. With a lithium-ion battery, enjoy 90-plus minutes of runtime and a 1-hour quick charge. Its balanced weight and ergonomic shape reduce hand fatigue, perfect for long sessions. Plus, the detachable blade makes cleaning effortless. Experience reliability and sharp edges even after heavy use. Get professional salon quality results at home.
At number 4, we have the BaBylissPRO Gold FX Plus Hair Clippers. Engineered with an all-metal body and a powerful upgraded brushless motor delivering up to 7,200 RPM for uncompromising performance. Experience smooth, effortless cutting through the thickest hair with less noise and vibration for ultimate precision. The DLC and titanium gold taper blade ensures exceptional sharpness, while the knurled barbell grip gives you superior control. With a 3-hour runtime and universal USB-C charging, plus all the accessories you need, you're always ready for the job. BaBylissPRO Gold FX Plus, the ultimate tool for professional results, at home or in the barbershop.
Tired of juggling a dozen different grooming tools? At number 5, we have the Philips Norelco Multigroom all-in-one hair clipper. This is one device for your entire routine: face, hair, body, and more. It's the only tool you'll ever need. Featuring self-sharpening steel blades, 5x more precision settings, and a smart sensor that adapts to your beard for a perfect cut. It's built tough with a durable steel handle, plus it's 100% shower-proof for easy cleaning and convenient grooming. With up to 5 hours of runtime and a travel-friendly design, it's the comprehensive grooming solution you've been looking for. Upgrade your routine today